What is cancer? A few things you should know. Hi. Cancer is a complex disease characterized by the uncontrolled growth and spread of abnormal cells in the body. In this talk, I will cover some aspects of the concept of cancer, the difference between cancer cells and normal cells, the development of cancer, genes related to cancer, the metastasis, non-cancerous tissue changes, and various types of cancer. Concept of cancer. Cancer originates when cells in the body in one part of the body proliferate uncontrollably and move to other parts of the body. The human body, composed of trillions of cells, normally undergoes orderly, controlled growth and division. However, disruptions in this process can lead to the formation of tumors, which can be cancerous, that is malignant, or non-cancerous, that is benign. Cancerous tumors invade nearby tissues and can spread to distant parts of the body, that is metastasize. Differences between cancer cells and normal cells. Cancer cells exhibit completely different properties and behaviors compared to normal cells. Cancer cells grow without external signals, resisting cell death signals, meaning cancer cells are immortal. They invade neighboring tissues, stimulate blood vessel growth, evade the immune system, and undergo genetic changes. How does cancer develop? Cancer is essentially a genetic disease, arising from changes in genes that regulate cell growth and division. Genetic changes can occur due to errors in cell division or exposure to environmental carcinogens such as cigarette smoke or UV rays, or other genetic factors. As cells accumulate genetic changes, they can become cancerous, with each person's cancer representing a particular combination of genetic abnormalities. Types of genes in cancer development. In the complex context of cancer development, specific genes play important roles. The first type, oncogenes. When altered, oncogenes stimulate uncontrolled cell growth. These genes essentially act like accelerators, pushing cells to divide and proliferate beyond normal limits. The second type, tumor suppressor genes. Tumor suppressor genes play a role in regulating cell division. The main function of these genes is to inhibit cell overgrowth and prevent tumor formation. However, when these tumor suppressor genes are mutated, their regulation can be disrupted, potentially contributing to cancer. The third type of gene linked to cancer development is DNA repair genes. These genes are responsible for repairing damaged DNA, ensuring the integrity of the genome. Their role is crucial in preventing the accumulation of mutations in genetic material. When DNA repair genes are functioning optimally, they act as guardians, quickly repairing any damage that may occur during cell division. However, when mutations occur in these genes, their repair mechanisms can be compromised, allowing the mutation to persist and potentially lead to the development of cancer cells. Therefore, the delicate balance between oncogenes, tumor suppressor genes, and DNA repair genes is crucial in maintaining the normal functioning of cells and preventing their abnormal growth. Mutations in any of these genes can disrupt balanced cell growth, contributing to the onset and complex progression of cancer. When cancer spreads. Metastasis occurs when cancer cells separate from the primary tumor and form new tumors in different parts of the body. Metastatic cancer retains the characteristics of the original cancer, and treatment is aimed at prolonging life or controlling symptoms caused by the metastatic tumor. Tissue changes that are not cancerous. Not all tissue changes are cancerous. There are hyperplasias that involve rapid cell multiplication without apparent abnormalities, while dysplasias have abnormal cells and tissue organization. In addition, there is a type of cancer, such as carcinoma in situ, that, because it is not as invasive as cancer, can be treated more favorably due to its limited progression ability. Types of cancer. There are more than 100 recognized types of cancer, which are classified based on the organs or tissues affected. Common types include carcinomas, cancers that arise from epithelial cells; sarcomas, cancers of bone and soft tissue; leukemias, cancers of hematopoietic tissue; lymphoma, lymphocyte cancer; multiple myeloma, plasma cell cancer; melanoma, skin cancer; and various brain and spinal cord tumors. Hopefully, with the capacity of this brief talk, you have also gained some understanding about cancer in general in this extremely complex journey of understanding with diverse and positive approaches. Among them, the genetic background, cellular complexity, and many types of cancer classified based on different starting points in the body are always approached with attention. A comprehensive understanding of cancer serves as a compass, guiding researchers, healthcare professionals, and patients alike through the maze of these terrifying cancer conditions. Wish you health. Thank you. Goodbye and see you soon.